This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle pedal on a piano. First, identify which type of middle pedal your instrument has, as its function varies significantly. Most pianos feature one of three types: a sostenuto pedal, a practice pedal, or a bass sustain pedal. Understanding which one you have is the first step to unlocking its unique capabilities and enhancing your musical expression. We will explore each type in detail, helping you master this often misunderstood control. The sostenuto pedal is a sophisticated mechanism, usually found on grand pianos. To use it, play the specific notes you wish to sustain, then press the middle pedal while those notes are still held down. This action will sustain only those initial notes, allowing you to play other notes staccato or without sustain. It offers a unique control, enabling complex textures where some voices are sustained while others remain clear and distinct, adding a rich layer to your performance. Many upright pianos feature a practice pedal, which is designed to significantly reduce the instrument's volume. When engaged, this pedal usually lowers a strip of felt material between the hammers and the strings, effectively muffling the sound by about 50 to 75%. It's incredibly useful for practicing late at night or in shared living spaces, allowing you to play without disturbing others. Simply press it down and often lock it into place for extended quiet practice sessions, then release when ready for full volume. A less common, but equally interesting, middle pedal is the bass sustain pedal. This pedal, found on some upright pianos, functions by sustaining only the notes in the lower 1/3 or 1/4 of the keyboard. It's like having a dedicated sustain pedal just for your bass lines, allowing the lower notes to resonate while the upper register remains unaffected. This can create a rich, foundational sound without blurring the clarity of melodies played in the higher octaves, offering a distinct textural possibility for your music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.